Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are all doing your studies well in all the subjects. So in our English course book we have completed our 2 chapters. Explanation and question answers also be given to you. Exercises, grammar and comprehension part. So you all have to write in that and try to learn these answers in this week of these 2 chapters. Then all of you be serious about your studies. Then we had enough time to play, time pass, everything we have done. Now at least in this LMS WhatsApp studies also you were not very much strict or serious. So in this section of LMS it's like online classes as you are sitting in your classroom. So be serious about it and try to understand the videos and do the homework and the assessment which is being given to you, and try to learn chapter wise chapter. As we have completed, let's open together our page number 11 of your course book. We will do today our listening and writing session of your chapter 1, the Hanuman and I. So in our listening, it is being given, the students of National School had their annual day yesterday. Listen to a few people talk about their experiences. As you listen, circle the emotions they are expressing. यहाँ पर the students who are studying in National School, they had their annual day yesterday and they have taken participation in most of the programs. So now they are expressing their emotions. They are talking about their experience with each other. Now they are asking us to circle the emotions, what they are expressing to us. Okay, so in a box it is being given curiosity, nervousness, pride, joy, regret, satisfaction, tension, guilt, sorrow, excitement and fear. So curiosity, you all know when something goes to happen, you will be curious to know what is going, how it will be, what all programs will be taking place. Nervousness, will be very nervous in attempting that, how I can do, am I able to do, will my steps of dance be correct, I may be forgetting about it, or when we are taking part in drama, will I forget my script, or in speech and all, will I be able to stand stiff and say. Nervousness about thinking lots of things, and pride, feeling very proud about what had happened. Joy, very much happy. Regret, feeling very bad about what you have done. If I could have done, it will be nice, others would have seen, or I would have taken part, then this portion of the act would have been very nice. Why I did not go, or why did not take part, etc., etc. Satisfaction, after doing something you feel a happy, satisfied mood. हाँ मैंने कर दिया, अच्छे से हो गया. Then tension, क्या होगा, कौन से प्रोग्राम के बाद मेरा होगा, मैं क्या बोल सकती हूँ, क्या कर सकती हूँ, इसके बाद क्या करना था, इसके बाद क्या करना था. Like you will be feeling lots of tension, worried about things. Guilt, that you have not done and you are feeling sorry in the sense like guilty feel करना, काश मैं कर पाती, काश मैं ऐसे बोलती, काश मैंने पार्ट ले लिया होता, वगैरह वगैरह. जो काम आप नहीं कर पाए हो करने के लिए, मतलब बाकी लोग कर रहे हैं या कुछ हो जाता है, या कुछ अभी जैसे कि आंसर्स पूछे जा रहे हैं तुमसे, तो काश मैं पढ़ के आ जाता. गिल्टी फीलिंग ना, when you are getting scolded, or you feel shame in front of others, or when you are informed, when your parents gets informed about your act, you will be feeling very guilty. Sorrow, बहुत दुखी होना. Okay, feeling very sad. Excitement to do what you are गोइंग टू डू, है ना. कब होगा, अरे कितनी जल्दी हो जाए, आ जाए. लाइक योर बर्थडे इज कमिंग, यू विल बी वेरी मच एक्साइटेड फॉर दैट डे टू कम, टू हैव लॉट्स ऑफ प्रेजेंट्स, टू कट द केक एंड बाय न्यू ड्रेसेस एंड come to school with all those things, with the sweets and all. You'll be excited in all those things. और कहीं पिकनिक जा रहे हो, या कोई गेम्स है, या कुछ तुम्हें गिफ्ट मिलने वाला है, या तुमने कोई शॉपिंग की है, उसको मतलब ऑनलाइन किया है तो उसको मतलब यू विल बी एक्साइटेड फॉर योर थिंग विच यू आर ईगरली वांटिंग और वेटिंग फॉर. देन फियर मीन्स डर. ओके, नाउ these are the words which you feel like they have done their annual day yesterday and they are talking about their experiences. So you have to circle those verses which they are feeling to be, what were their emotions, how have they experienced, etc., etc. Okay, now in our writing session it is been said, in the listening section you heard a boy talking about how he got stage fright. In this listening, see, everybody was not very perfect in it. Somebody was very feeling tension, somebody was regretting, somebody was guilty in their act, what he have done, somebody was very much fearful, like that. Some are negative, some are positive things. So you have to, in this one boy was telling about his regret feeling. Okay, how he got stage fright and he pretended to be ill. वो बीमार नहीं था लेकिन उसने एक्ट किया, जैसे कि आप लोग करते हैं. जैसे कोई टेस्ट के लिए बोलते हैं तो क्या होता है, टीचर के आने से पहले ही, भले 1 पीरियड पहले ही या 15 मिनट पहले, एकदम से हेड डाउन कर देते हैं. टीचर आके पूछे तो बोलते हैं मेरा सर दुख रहा है, मेरा पेट दुख रहा है, या समथिंग और दी अदर, उल्टी आ रही है, वॉमिटिंग फीलिंग, सर चक्कर आ रहा है. लॉट्स ऑफ एक्सक्यूजेस यू पीपल यूज टू गिव. लाइक दैट दिस बॉय ऑल्सो गेव एक्सक्यूज लाइक ही इज फीलिंग वेरी इल. उसकी तबीयत बहुत खराब हो गई है. क्यों किया था उसने? क्यों अवॉइड परफॉर्मिंग. उसके परफॉर्म करने से बहुत डर गया था, नर्वस हो रहा था. सो ही वॉज फीलिंग fearful, so he acted or he pretended to be ill. Now here they are telling us to imagine as you are this boy and write a diary entry about what you did and how you felt. आपने क्या किया और आपको कैसा लग रहा है ऐसा करके. Do not forget to mention what you are going to do to make up for this. अब ये भी नहीं भूलना कि आपको लिखना है आपने जो ये गलती की है इसके लिए आप क्या भरपाई करने वाले हो. ओके, सो यू ऑल नो हाउ टू राइट डायरी एंट्री. डायरी एंट्री, राइट हैंड साइड you have to write the date, time and day. It is must in all the diary entries. Whenever you are writing a diary, you have to mention the date of the day when you are writing this entry, and the time should also be mentioned, at what time you are writing, and the day, on which date it has been written. Now he started, I just got home from the annual day performance. What was supposed to be a great night turned into a nightmare. मैं जैसे मैं बस अभी घर पे आया हूँ अपने एनुअल डे के परफॉर्मेंस के बाद, और जो रात मेरे लिए बहुत सुहानी होनी चाहिए थी, मेरे को सोच के, जैसे क्लैपिंग हो रही थी, अप्लॉज मिल रहे थे, ये सब सोच के मुझे अच्छे से खुश होकर रात बिताना था, लेकिन ये सब बातें मेरे लिए नाइटमेयर बन गई है. सो यू हैव टू कंटिन्यू आफ्टर दिस हाउ ही फेल्ट, व्हाट डिड ही डू एज दैट बॉय. यू हैव टू एक्ट. तुम्हें वो लड़के की तरह सोचना है जिसने परफॉर्म नहीं किया था. सो आप वो लड़के के जगह पे रुक के आपको इमेजिन करना है दैट यू आर दैट बॉय एंड यू हैव टू राइट दैट entry by yourself. by thinking how he was experienced. The verses you can collect from this box also and write it down. Okay, all of you understood how to write now? So we can get the words from this for that boy. Then he was very much excitement. He was very much excitement about it to do that act or to take participate in the program. And as the time came, he was very much feared or tension, then or nervous, whatever. These three verses you can choose. Then you can say that he was very much regretting or guilty. He was feeling guilt or regret. Both we can use. Then sorrow. He was very much sorrow. That's why he was telling he could have got a good night, but it was turned to a great nightmare. Okay, using these words you can write like I just got home from the annual day performance. What was supposed to be a great night turned into a nightmare. I was so excited about that program which I was about to do, but as soon as my program was about to take place, or my number came, or when my name was about to be called, I peeped to the curtain and I could see the audience, and I got nervous seeing them, that would I be able to, like he was doing some solo dance or solo song. So he was very much nervous and he got tensed that how he could face the audience like that and all. He was shivering like anything. He was fearing. So he pretended to be ill to the teacher and avoided his performance of the. So I asked my teacher that I am not well, so I could not do my program. And he was made to sit sideways because he was not feeling well. He pretended for that. Then he was sitting there very sorrowfully or regretting his decision what he was taking. And after completing that all the programs, he could not say to the teacher also like I wanted to take part, because once he refused and all the programs also, his turn also went off. Now he was not able to do anything and he was regretting himself for the decision he was taking, and he was feeling guilty. And at night, as he came home, he was regretting, he was feeling guilty that why he could not be, how great opportunity he got to take part. So after writing, imagining that you are that boy, think about the way you people are asked you, each of you, to do some program. Some or the other teacher will be asking you to or negotiating you to do, है ना, प्रोत्साहित करते हैं ना बाकी टीचर्स आपको. तो वो टीचर के बारे में सोचो कि कैसे उनको जो फील हुआ होगा. Like you went to your teacher, write your favorite teacher's name who used to ask you to participate in the program. When you went and told to her how she felt it and how she was feeling. You were sitting in the corner beside the teacher, you were noticing her because of me how bad she was feeling. And after finishing the program, all the friends were so happy in their role, as they how they were satisfied and talking, they expressing the feeling and how you were feeling. These are all things you have to include, and also you have to write that what are you going to do to make up for this. अब तुम क्या कर सकते हो, क्या करने वाले हो, जो तुमने गलती की है उसको कैसे सुधार सकते हो, है ना. but program to ho gaya, you can't do anything at that time, but in future you can say that if I get a chance, I will definitely do with all costs, whatever will happen, मैं पीछे नहीं हटूंगा, and I will perform my act very well. है ना? Like that you write and conclude. Write your name over this side, right side at the last after completing your diary entry. Make sure you make a line. First you write, then that it should be in a perfect justified column like this, and here, like in a paper you are writing first date, then time, that day, then you are writing the whole thing, that paragraph will come. Again started. Okay, at last you write your name over here. So this justification alignment should be there. This is your diary entry. Okay, so include all those points. Hope you have understood well, and write it and show it to me. Okay, do your homework well, study well. Okay, then bye.